Many people struggles to build trees in Blockman Go, but today I'm gonna teach you how to. For this build I am going to use some cherry leaves, pink wool, pink concrete, some hill blocks, hill fence and hill walls. So first we are gonna try to make the main body of the tree, then we can add some other things to it. So now we have something like this. And now we are gonna try to make some big branches to it. So something like this, and we can add some small branches to it, and I'm gonna make another branch over here. I'm just placing random blocks and we can shape it out later. After that we are gonna have something like this or something like this, and then we are going to add some small branches to it. Then we are going to have something like this and something like this, and this area seems strange to me, so I am just gonna add another branch to it and just added another one here. And then we are gonna have something like this, but I personally like cherry trees with curvy body like this. And just like the previous one, we are gonna add another branch to it, something like this. And well, this looks good to me. And then we're gonna have something like this, which looks pretty good, and we're gonna add some small branches to it. And for the leaves we're going to add some large amount of cherry blossom leaves, and then we can add some more details. And then we are going to have something like this, and then we are going to add the shadows. For example, here is a picture of an apple. Now you can see that the sunlight is coming from this side, and this area is very light and this area is very dark. And now because the leaves looks something like this, and to show you guys what I am going to do, here is a model of a branch, and now I am going to add pink concrete to the middle, and it is the darkest. And now I am going to add some pink wool to the sides, which is slightly lighter than pink concrete, so it can give the saturation effect to the tree. And it's gonna be middle, and I covered up the sides with cherry blossom leaves, and now I'm going to add some hanging leaves to it to give it the gravity effect, which gonna look pretty natural. And I'm going to make some long ones and some short ones to make it feel more natural. And I have a trick for this, which is called covering up the sides. And for this easy trick, we're going to cover up 90% of the sides with hanging leaves. And this trick is very easy, which anyone can do. And now I am going to add some leaves to this side because this area seems very empty. And some more leaves over here. And this looks something like this, which looks pretty good. And now we are going to do the same with the tree leaves. And now it looks like this. And now because the cherry tree is done, let's make a big spruce tree. And for this tree I am using these blocks. And first we're gonna try to make the lower body of the tree, which is gonna be a bit thick because the lower body of the tree is a bit thick because it supports the whole tree. And now we're gonna extend it upwards. Now I'm gonna add some walls in the sides, and we have to keep in mind that the longer the tree is, the thinner it gets as it goes upwards. And now it looks something like this. And now I'm gonna make some small branches, and we're gonna do this in the whole tree. And now it looks like this. And for the leaves, to show you guys what I'm gonna do, here is a model of a branch, and now I'm gonna place some leaves over here and some in the sides, just like this. And we're gonna make the tip going downwards so it can give the gravity effect to it, which is gonna look pretty natural, just like the cherry tree. And here is the final result of the tree, and to be honest, this looks pretty cool to me. And you can see that the tip of the leaves are going downwards, which is giving the gravity effect to it, and I left some branches leafless so it can look pretty natural. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you guys want me to build anything else, then you can comment down below. And with that all being said, see ya next time. Consider subscribing and subscribe to Technoblade.